Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I built my portable hot tub, starting with the copper coil. I got 50 feet of 1/2 inch here and just left it coiled like it came from the factory over the fire. And over here we installed some couplings so we could take that copper coil and go into our standard garden hose. These garden hoses are rated for up to 160 degrees, just that way it can take the heat that we're going to be putting through it. We have 50-foot hoses. We had a little too much hose, so what we did is we put them inside the pool. That way any heat going through the hose, it will go into the water as well. As you can see, we have a little pump right there in the corner with a wire, and that is plugged into a small inverter, which goes over into our 12-volt battery. We do have a backup battery because in case we run out of power, we don't want that coil in the water to stop moving and the temperature to rise to extreme temperatures where we start melting our garden hose. So for some reason the inverter goes out, it gives us a warning beep. We can quickly hook up the next battery and keep that water moving. So this is our family camping spot this year. As you can see, we're right on the lake. It's a perfect spot for our hot tub. So what we did now is we added some wood on top of the fire to help retain some of the heat and increase the temperature as it came later in the evening. We wanted to warm it up for when we were actually going to go into it, and this way really helped. We didn't want to put the coil right in the fire, we didn't want to melt it, but doing this was actually just perfect. We were able to get the temperature up hot enough. So the water temperature was 96 degrees at this point. The day previous we had it at 102, and the water temperature coming out of the actual hose is 109.5. By the time the evening came, the water was always around 100 degrees, which to me is perfect hot tub temperature. And this is a portable hot tub, so after a couple days obviously you got to take it down or put fresh water in it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.